Hey, what's up guys? This is Dan from Regal Metalworks, and we put together a nice little vlog for you today. It's a short little thing, but it's, you know, shows you all the little knick-knack things we've been finishing up, working on here at the shop. And Cole asked me to do this because he forgot to do it.
What's going on in here? What are you doing?
That feels funny. Don't judge me.
Possible new product we're working on. Be soon announced. Motorama, quite possibly. Get some feedback for it. I did a little bit more work on this belt sander. We got the pulley on. That pulley, I tried tapping it on with the rubber mallet and it wasn't going, so I put the pulley in the oven. Got it to about 300 degrees and she dropped right on real nice. So she spins real good. Made the mounting plate that's in the tumbler right now for the motor. And it's different than this person's plans because it's a completely different motor setup. But I got the motor mounts here. This is the bracing. All these pieces I had to make by hand. I got started on the belt tensioner pulley, or the idler pulley. I got the brackets made for that. I got some other pieces for that are also in the tumbler.
What is this? I haven't watched any of the vlogs.
What?
Just kidding. Whoops. I saw the one where you were welding up the gaps in here.
Yeah, that was a pain. I don't ever want to do that again. You just can't.
I felt a little bit of a resentment because I wasn't in the video.
You weren't here.
Yeah, but still. Why wasn't it in the video?
You're in the video now.
Yeah, well, nice consolation prize for me.
Yeah, this guy just couldn't get enough heat in it without putting too much heat in it and warping it, so you have to weld it real gingerly. So I'd much rather crank the welder up to 300 amps and laid it in there real nice and hot, but that would have warped real bad.
Let me just fit in here.
Yep, they slide right in. Now you gotta look. Now look on the front of it. There's a label that says up. That way it slides in the easiest. Yep. It doesn't go all the way in.
No moaning either.
What? Jeez.
Probably have to edit that one out.
What are you talking about?
I was just, you know, saying what everybody else is thinking. Everyone else used like, you know, 14 going on 31.
We had these guys come in from New York yesterday. I didn't get any footage, but we did a test cut here out of a 304 stainless 8-inch 11 gauge. Of their design and layout. This is how bad the sheet was warped when they brought it to me. It was warped pretty bad. I mean, not quite that bad. It was warped enough. But we're able to get it all cut out for them. They were basically looking to see if they should purchase one of these Shop Saber plasmas, to see if it cut what they needed. They had actually got a sample test cut from Hypertherm, and they weren't impressed with it at all. And but they were impressed with the cuts on this, which was kind of weird. I don't know why Hypertherm didn't take the time to make a better cut, but they were happy with this. Unfortunately, like I said, I didn't get any of the video footage for that, which kind of stinks, but I was running the show trying to, you know, show them how everything works, and they were paying attention, and they were paying per hour, so I didn't feel right filming at the same time. What are you doing, guys?
I'm petting the dogs. That one's getting jealous. Red rocket's sticking out too.
See that. Poppers! You want to come down, buds? You guys are ready to go. It's almost 6 o'clock. I know. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Come here, buddies. Come here, I gotcha. There you go.
Get trampled. getting trampled.
Yeah.
There's one missing.
One missing.
Save it! Save me!
You guys ready to go? You guys ready to go bye-byes? Ready to go bye-byes first? Huh? Yeah. It's a little warm out today. Not as cold as it's been, so the dogs decided to come without their jackets. They really fight me like little kids. They don't want to put their jackets on, but then they come here and they're cold. But today it's actually really nice. Yes, you do.
It's Abercrombie and Hollister.
Yeah. Anybody out there in viewer land know what one of those is? Are? What those are? What they may be? What they may belong to?
Charcuterie.
What?
Charcuterie.
It's charcuterie.
I don't even know.
Charcuterie.
What does that word mean?
Well, it's really kind of an all-encompassing word of dealing with meats, sausages, force meats, curing items.
Just the word that came to my brain. Welcome to my brain, people. It's magnificent.
Yes, it is.
I mean, an orange.
Is it a blood orange?
It does. It's bloody. It's red. It's not an orange. It's a grapefruit.
Ooh. Okay, so this is just fresh out of the tumbler. We gotta go back in. This is a new keychain I'm working on. This is actually a GM head gasket for a Duramax diesel. There are 8 cylinders. This is one of the banks. So this would get a key ring on it, and then you can put this on your keys. This will also get powder coated. We have a real nice texture that I really like to put on these. This one here is actually the LT4 motor out of the all the new GM big trucks and the Corvette and I think the Camaro ZL1. I designed these up last night, drew them up off of pictures, and did some test cuts on them. Cut a couple of these out. I'm going to take these in Motorama, see if there's see if there's an interest, to see if InChange Design wants to maybe market these and sell these. If anybody's interested, please leave a comment below. And if you'd be interested in something like this, I made these about 3 years ago. Not this particular models, more import stuff like VW and Mini Cooper, and some of the the Supra and the GT32, GTR32, GT32. What is it? No.
Why are you looking at me like I know?
I can't remember. It's been such a long time!
I don't know anything about cars.
Yeah, I know you do.
I found my hood latch once. I was really happy. By the way, this is my blood orange.
Oh.
They taste just like a regular orange, except they're red.
Hang on. Let me bring you back into view. There we go. Now we can see what you're doing.
Tastes just like a regular orange, except it's red. Hence the name.
Yeah, it doesn't look too appealing, but there's a little different angle. We were in narrow view. I went to linear here. These are about a little over 4.5 inches long, I think. That's about as small as I can get. These, the reason why I didn't really make these, and why I figured it would be a good time to revisit this, is the amount of dross that you get on such a small cut. On the backside was just too much to really remove. But now that we have the tumbler, I was like, well, let's give it a shot. Let's cut a couple out and throw them in the tumbler and see how we fare. So I got a bunch sitting in there. I want to see how they turn out. These ones here are actually sanded first. So if the tumbler doesn't remove all the dross in a reasonable amount of time, I'll just sand them, then throw them in the tumbler for whatever, 15, 20 minutes. So
What rhymes with orange?
No, not this.
I know that I used it before on the blog, but I found a word that's kind of close.
What?
Porridge.
That's what I said. I literally said that. You're like, no. Go back and watch the vlog. I'll put a link up in the corner. What? Dan and I were having a conversation about my #1 employee. He's saying it doesn't work all the time, and I say that that's all he does do is work. Mr. D. Burr. He was the cheapest employee I've ever hired.
Hey, thought I was cheapest.
You guys ready to go? You ready to go, Bubba-Ice? Ready to go? You ready to go? Ready? You ready to go? You ready? Ready? Here we go. Oh, there we go. There we go, flying out.
What's up, guys? This is this is a sign off. Forgot. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out the links we posted in the vlog, the video. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. We're getting up there in numbers, so we're pretty stoked about that.
We're almost at 200.
Yeah, so that means like we make a really big impact with what we say. So, you know, be your authentic selves. Don't wear your mask today. Tell somebody you love them, and don't be afraid to receive love from people.
Yeah. What?
That was some good stuff right there, man.
Yeah.
Come on.
Gary Vandercheck.
All right, later.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. Macy's going